Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will be talking about some important aspects of the major bot, such as the listing date, token price, and other crucial details you need to know before the token is officially listed. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you never miss any of our daily videos. Also, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact, so make sure to join. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the explanation. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your wallet is properly linked to the major bot. If you're unsure about how to link your wallet, simply click on your username at the bottom. If the wallet address appears correctly, that means it's linked properly. If not, you'll see a Connect Wallet option. Click it and then select your preferred wallet, whether it's a Telegram wallet or any other one you use. Next up, it's important that you complete all available tasks. The more tasks you do, the better your position will be, especially in terms of earning more tokens. Some tasks require a deposit, but that is entirely up to you. It's a personal choice. I can't advise you on whether to deposit or not. However, the simpler tasks are the ones you should focus on completing. If you choose to make a deposit, that's your decision. But I personally do not recommend making deposits into bots. To increase the number of tokens in your account, you can engage with the games available in the bot. These games help you earn tokens, and as I explained in previous tutorials, you can access daily codes in our Telegram channel, which will also give you additional opportunities to earn. Now, let's talk about the distribution of tokens. According to the official community post, 80% of the total tokens will be allocated to the community, while 20% will go toward marketing and development. Out of that 80%, 60% will be distributed to active users, while 20% will be for the new phase. Additionally, some of the 20% allocated for marketing and development will be locked for 10 months. This means the airdrop will likely be distributed in stages. You'll receive some tokens in your account, but you won't be able to withdraw them immediately. This is a normal practice in most bot platforms, just like what we saw with Hamster Combat and Rocky Rabbit. Now let's check out the price of the token. If we look up Major Token on the BitGet platform, we can see that it's currently listed under pre-market trading. As we know, the pre-market price is usually a rough estimate of the real price and could go either way once the market officially opens. In my opinion, the current price of 0.0084 per token is quite reasonable. It's a good price with only 2 decimals. I expect that once the token is listed, the price may either rise or decrease slightly, but overall, I think it's a solid starting point for those wondering whether it's a good price. Will the price go higher? Maybe it will reach 0.01, or it might decrease and settle around 0.003. We won't know for sure until the official listing date. Speaking of the listing date, it's confirmed to be in November, as shown in the official announcements. The listing will happen towards the end of the month, and we will start seeing the airdrop conditions and other details mid-month. I will follow up with you on everything step by step, so you can stay updated on how to qualify and claim your share of the airdrop. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.